Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Yorker channel. In this video, we will discuss how to fix the HDMI port not working on your Windows 11 problem. The first course of action that you should take is check the HDMI connection cables. Plug out both the ends of the cable from the monitor and your PC or laptop's HDMI port. Clean out both the ports on the screen and the PC and then reconnect the cable. If the cable is broken, you can try replacing it with a newer cable. However, if the HDMI port is not working despite changing the cable, then you must get it repaired. The next thing that you can do is check the display settings of your PC. Just open the settings app and go to the display section. Here you will see that we have both the displays here. I have connected one external display and you should pick the extend or duplicate option here. If you pick show only options, it will only display the operating system on either of the screens. You can click on it to select the screen and then check the resolution. Sometimes the OS does not recognize the default resolution, and in that case you must change and assign the resolution from here. Similarly, you can the refresh rate of the monitor. You can see that mine is 144 Hz, and you can do the same and pick the most highest resolution from here. After that, you must update the device drivers on your PC. Just right click on the start button and launch the device manager. Now expand this section and right click on any adapter and select the update driver option. Click on this search first option and let Windows find and download the latest drivers for your device. Sometimes this tool doesn't download the most latest drivers, and in that case you must visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer. You can visit the Intel, AMD or Nvidia website and download the latest drivers for your model from there. Many users also complain that they notice the issue after installing the Windows update. In that case, you must go back to the system settings page and click on the Windows update option. Scroll down and select this update history option. Some updates are removable from your PC. Scroll down and find the uninstall update section. From here you must pick the most latest update and then click on the uninstall button to remove it from your PC. The last resort is to run SFC and DISM scans on your PC. Just launch the command prompt in administrator mode and then run the following commands that I will display on the screen one by one. After that, restart your PC to fix this Windows HDMI port problem. That's all for this video. If you like this video and want to see the complete textual guide, you can visit our website techyorker.com mentioned in the description box. Also like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such helpful content.